Hello, everyone. You can feel the panic through the snow. Drivers frozen as trucks slide sideways like giants falling. One tiny mistake, and the road decides your fate. This is how fast control can vanish on ice. Snow dulls the road and tricks the eye, but speed exposes the truth when a pickup slides past firefighters by inches. One wrong move, and lives are on the line. Snow turns the highway into glass, and the car starts drifting sideways with nothing left to grab. In seconds, Chicago's winter makes the decision for everyone.
That we can do, man.
One step saved his life in the snow.
Oh my God. Oh my. Holy sh. Oh. Oh.
No serious injuries this time, but the footage shows how quickly ice rewrites the rules of the road. 1 second of speed, and everything changes.
Jesus, get in your car! Oh, Jesus. Stay in your car!
This is how winter shuts everything down, not with noise, but with silent slides and unstoppable momentum.
Two men standing outside one car narrowly avoided being hit.
This is how fast winter shuts a highway down. No speed, no collision, just physics reminding everyone how powerless tires become on ice.
Oh my God!
Rain turns the intersection into a mirror, and in that reflection, timing slips just enough for metal to meet metal. One ordinary turn, and everything changes in a heartbeat.
Interstate 84, early morning whiteout conditions. At first, it looked like nothing in this region have come.
Snow and ice choke the highway as one crash triggers another, turning stopped traffic into a dangerous chain reaction.
And visibility.
There's no crash, no impact, just a quiet slide that shows how little margin the road allows. One slide sent the truck over the edge. The street looks quiet, but winter work is already in motion as a massive machine crawls forward, scraping ice like it weighs nothing. One steady pass, and the road slowly comes back to life. This is why you clear your roof. This is how roads are reclaimed. Winter roads forgive nothing. Slow down, leave space, and remember that arriving late is always better than not arriving at all. Every clip you saw is a reminder that small choices save lives. If these moments made you think twice behind the wheel, hit subscribe, stay alert, and share this channel with someone you care about.